The edge computing journey, powered by mobile, IoT, and artificial intelligence technology, is now underway. Moving away from silos of things to a connected things stage, this fusion of mobile, IoT, and AI will take us to the next stage, the age of edge intelligence. Edge intelligence will soon be inside every industry and will profoundly impact the way we work and create products. It will deliver superior interactions with human end users through better decision support systems that require local voice libraries and dictionaries, while modernizing exception handling of rules set by the service providers and preferences set by end users, all driven by machine learning at the edge. For machines, edge intelligence will enrich their machine learning performance in everything they do, from improving security to complex maintenance tasks. The seminal questions are you ready for edge intelligence? And do you have the modern edge data management necessary to support it? This maturity curve for modern edge data management will help answer these questions. At the lowest level on the curve, flat and indexed file systems are the lowest common denominator for development. Ubiquitous because they come for free with the operating system and therefore cost nothing and are well understood by developers. Unfortunately, they also force developers to reinvent the wheel and spend time building functionality easily purchased off the shelf. Next up the maturity curve would be the use of a client-only database like SQLite. This is also free and ubiquitous, but includes many problems around security and the need to handle data transformations with server-side databases. Coupled with the added troubles of extremely poor performance and the inability to handle multiple data types or terabyte-plus data tables, this approach has serious drawbacks. The next step up are database choices that historically have focused on trade-offs. However, when deploying department by department, project by project, this has led to database sprawl and unneeded complexity with third-party integrations or legacy systems. So, what's the best solution for edge intelligence development? Actian Zen, a modern edge data management system that's a 0 DBA, embedded, nano footprint, no SQL, and SQL, multi-platform system based for edge computing. Actian Zen addresses these 5 critical requirements for application developers. 1. Must be capable of managing large sets of persistent data locally on edge mobile and IoT devices. 2. Run on multiple operating environments from Android, iOS, Windows, IoT Core, and variants of embedded Linux to server-based Windows, and Linux as well as cloud and virtual machines and containers, supporting client-server, intranet, and internet configurations. 3. Multiple access methods including command line interfaces and programming, and various scripting languages, thereby supporting developers of all types for data collection and processing, local analytics, remote query and reporting. 4. Support varied types of data, JSON, blob, traditional structured data in high-speed writes for time series, and high-speed reads for lookup and query, as well as local on-device and or gateway machine learning. 5. Plug and play with other advanced analytics, reporting and visualization tools and platforms to avoid monolithic proprietary builds that inevitably fall behind and create lock-in. With Actian Zen, you get a single, secure, scalable, and modular architecture that meets all these requirements and adds one other critical trait. It's way faster than any of its competition in third-party benchmarks. Actian Zen is faster than SQLite by over 100 times on SQL queries, 4 times faster than InfluxDB, a market leader in time series databases with matching time stamping and replication from client to server, 3 and 5 times faster than Couchbase and mongoDB in head-to-head tests, and even faster when dealing with ETL and synchronization servers to go from Couchbase or Mongo servers to their mobile clients. Because Actian Zen has the same underlying file formats, there is no ETL when sending data to and from devices, gateways, and back to the cloud. Get prepared for the modern edge data management wave and get the most value from mobile and IoT. Download the royalty-free Actian Zen Core for iOS or Android today. Be up and running in no time with the aid of Zendocs.actian.com.